Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stafford, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Volvo XC40 2.0 T5R Design Pro all-wheel drive. Now, this vehicle is a petrol with an automatic transmission and is also ULEZ compliant. To start off with, then you have your LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. You also have 20-inch 5-split-spoke alloy wheels with a two-tone finish, really complementing against the blue exterior colour. Taking a look, you also have privacy glass located in the rear and cargo area, ensuring any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electronic boot lid, and once open you can find that you've got a large amount of boot space you could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Moving through the rear seats, you can find the charcoal leather and nubuck upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away for that fifth passenger. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel and infotainment system, and once again you can find that lovely upholstery, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort on any journey. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. The driver's seat is electronically adjustable, allowing you to find a comfortable position, and then once you've found it, you are also able to save it, as it is a memory seat as well. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your buttons for your information panel, along with your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Taking a look at your digital dash, you can see that this vehicle has done 68,995 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, allowing you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. Along with DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. You also have Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. Along with your drive assist, including park in and park out, making parallel parking so much easier. You also have a rear view camera with the option of a 360 view, allowing you to see almost every angle of the vehicle. Moving to your climate control, you do in fact have a dual zone climate, so you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust the airflow and airflow direction. You also have front heated seats, which is a luxury to have. This has been a presentation on a Volvo XC40 2.0 T5R Design Pro all-wheel drive that is now available to purchase from Motor Match Stafford. For more information, please contact our sales team.